Hey guys, Cody over here at Jaguar Power Sports, here to go over how to adjust your chain properly when you notice you have a little bit of slack in it. First, we are going to remove the outer nut on both sides of the adjusting rods. Once we have removed the outer nut on the adjusting rods, we are going to go under the hub and loosen these 4 bolts to allow the hub to adjust inward and outward, thus creating tension or releasing tension on the chain. To tighten your chain, we are going to tighten the inner nut on the adjusting rods. This will bring the rear hub outward, thus creating tension on the chain. It is very important not to over tighten your chain and make sure there is a slight bit of slack, about a 1/4 inch of play, for a proper chain adjustment. Once you have found a proper adjustment, make sure you find a good point to measure backwards to make sure your axle is level on both sides and you do not pull one side of the hub out further than the other. Once you have got your chain properly adjusted and your axle aligned, reinstall the outer nuts onto the adjusting rods. Then go underneath on the hub and tighten the bolts back up that you loosened. And there you go, you just adjusted your chain. Now let's get ready to rock and roll on the dirt once again. Great job.